So, children, as I have already told you about who is Tansen, Tansen was a legendary musician and he was one of the gems of King Akbar's court. Now, read this story about the legendary musician Tansen and the power of his music, that how powerful his music was. Okay. King Ramchandra of Rewa sent Tansin as a royal gift to King Emperor Akbar. Soon Akbar was so impressed by Tansin's music that he bestowed on him the highest honor of the land, an inclusion in his Navratna or 9 jewels, the 9 most outstanding talents of the royal court. Beside performing in the court, Tansin would often sing for the emperor alone. At night, he sang the ragas that would soothe the emperor and help him fall asleep. And in the morning, Tansin sang special ragas that would gently awaken the emperor. It was said that when Tansin sang, birds, animals would often gather to hear him. Okay, so what happened? Tansen was from Riva. Basically, he was from Riva. Riva is one of the district in MP. Okay, and he was sent as a royal gift. Okay, राजशाही तोहफे के तौर पर जो किंग रामचंद्र थे उन्होंने उसे अकबर को दिया था. Okay, he was sent to Akbar by King Ramchandra of Riva. Akbar was very much impressed of Tansen's music, okay, and he gave him the honor. उन्होंने उसको अपने 9 gems में उन्हें शामिल किया था. Okay, he was one of the most outstanding person in the court of Akbar. Okay, his talent was so very high that he was there with the king after the court as well. He used to sing in the court. After that, he used to sing for the king alone also. Some of the ragas which soothes the king, जो किंग को बहुत सुकून देती थी, आराम देती थी. ऐसे कई राग थे उनके पास में जो कि वो किंग को अपने फ्री टाइम में सुनाते थे, एम्परर अकबर को. ओके, सो it is also said that when Tansen used to sing, many birds and animals also gathered there. बहुत सारे animals and birds used to gather over there to listen to Tansen sing. Okay. One evening, Emperor Akbar decided to visit Tansen. When the emperor arrived, Tansen was singing and playing the tanpura. Tanpura is the musical instrument. Okay. The emperor sat quietly in the veranda and listened to him. So pleased was the emperor with Tansen's music that he took off one of his necklace and gifted it to Tansen. What happened? One evening, King Akbar wanted to visit Tansen. He went to visit Tansen, and Tansen was singing at that time and playing the musical instrument called Tanpura. Okay, and he was so very impressed. The king was so very impressed. He liked that song, the music which he was singing and playing, that happily he gave him one of his necklace as a gift. उन्होंने अपने एक नेकलेस को गिफ्ट के तौर पर तानसेन को दे दिया. Tansen's fame spread far and wide. People said that he was the greatest singer to have been born in 1,000 years. Some courtiers became very jealous of Tansen's fame and began to plot his downfall. They suggested to the emperor that he command Tansen to sing the Deepak Rag for him. The Deepak Rag was one of the most difficult rag to sing. It was said that a perfect rendition of this rag gave rise to so much heat that not only would lamps light up on their own, but also the singer's body would burn to ashes. Okay, everyone knew that Tansen is one of the greatest singer and no one can sing like Tansen, and he was very famous in the court of King Akbar. But if you are liked by someone, there are people who are very jealous of you also. So what happened, there were some of the people who were very jealous of king of that of Tansen. Okay, they were very jealous about Tansen. So what happened, they wanted to put down the singer in front of king. They wanted to put down Tansen in front of King Akbar. So what did they suggested to the emperor, that one day we'll ask Tansen to sing Deepak Rag. Okay, what did they said to the king? They asked the king to let Tansen sing the Deepak Rag. Okay, and then the king called Tansen and he said that you please prepare one day and you will sing Deepak Rag. But what happened, what the Deepak Rag, what they are talking about, okay, here they are talking about Deepak Rag. उसको गाने के समय क्या होता था, इतनी ज़्यादा, एक तो वो डिफ़िकल्ट था सिंग करने में, इट वॉज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू सिंग, एंड सो मच ऑफ हीट. अगर उसको पूरी डेडिकेशन के साथ गाया जाता है तो उसमें इतना सारा हीट क्रिएट होता है कि वो पूरे इन्वायरमेंट को गर्म कर सकता है, एज वेल एज इट कैन लाइट अप द लैम्प्स. जो दिए होते थे वो जल उठते थे वो दीपक राग गाते समय. और कई बार तो ऐसा होता था कि द वन हु इज सिंगिंग दैट राग यूज टू सेट ऑन फायर. वो सिंगर का शरीर तक जलने लगता था. ओके, सो they all knew that it is difficult, and if he will sing, then what will happen, he will set on fire and he will die himself. Okay, so all these people said to emperor that please give order to Tansen to sing the Deepak Rag. Then let's see what happens next. When Akbar asked Tansen to sing the Deepak Rag, Tansen pleaded, "Sir, the Deepak Rag can set the singer on fire." But the emperor would not listen. "If you are the greatest singer in the land, you must accept this challenge," insisted emperor. Tansen knew that singing the Deepak Rag was dangerous, but he also knew that if the Megh Rag, which brings rain, could be sung at the same time, he would be saved from the fury of fire. So as Akbar ordered Tansen to sing the Deepak Rag, Tansen explained to Akbar also that, "Sir, this is not easy to sing. It can even set the singer's body to fire." But emperor was not ready to listen anything. He was saying that अगर आप इतने बड़े सिंगर हो, if you are the greatest singer, then you must be knowing how to sing and how you can protect yourself. Okay, and you should take this challenge and you have to sing the Deepak Rag. And only Tansen knew that if Deepak Rag is sent with Megh Rag, अगर दीपक राग के साथ में मेघ राग गाया जाए तो क्या होगा, जितनी भी हीट वहाँ पर प्रोड्यूस होगी, जितनी हीट क्रिएट होगी, उसको कौन कम कर सकता है, सिर्फ मेघ राग या बारिश कम कर सकती है. सो दिस ही न्यू, बट नाउ इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर हिम टू सिंग बोथ ऑफ देम टुगेदर. ओके, अगर वो दीपक राग गा रहे हैं तो वो मेघ राग साथ में नहीं गा सकते थे, बिकॉज at one point only one person can sing. Okay, so now what happens, see. "But how can I sing both the ragas at the same time?" thought Tansen worriedly to himself as he roamed in the garden of his house. Suddenly he had an idea. Maybe Rupa, devoted disciple of Swami Haridas, could sing with him. Okay, who was Swami Haridas? Swami Haridas was Tansen's teacher. He was guru of Tansen, and one of his disciple, what was her name? Rupa was there, and she can also sing very nicely. So Tansen was thinking and he went to Guru Haridas. Okay, and suddenly got an idea that he will ask Swami Haridas that if Rupa can sing Meghrag for him. So with his permission, he asked Rupa to sing with him together. Okay. So with the permission of Haridas, Rupa agreed to sing with Tansen. Rupa was a very good musician. Tansen used the 15 days of preparation time granted by Akbar to train her. At the end of the 2 weeks, Rupa had perfected her rendition of the Meghrag. So, Swami Haridas was also ready and he ordered Rupa to go and sing with Tansen. So, within that period of 15 days, which King Akbar has given him, he trained Rupa for Meghrag and he trained himself for the Deepak Rag. Okay, and then what happens on the performance day? Just see. On the day of the performance, the court was packed with courtiers and royal guests. People had come from far and wide to hear Tansen sing the most difficult of all the ragas. Unlit lamps were placed on the wall. Tansen waited with his tanpura in hand, and as soon as the emperor entered and sat on the throne, the great musician began the alap, the first section of a rag. As Tansen sang, the air gradually became warm. Okay, so on the performance day, what happened? The court was packed with the courtiers. People of court are called courtiers. Okay, so they were all, it was all filled with those many royal guests were also called. Okay, many guests from different places were called for this function, and people were very excited to see Tansen singing one of the most difficult rag. It was very difficult and they were very happy to listen to Tansen. और उनके सामने बुझे हुए दीपक लगा दिए गए थे ताकि जब वो गाएं तो उनको जलना चाहिए. ओके, एंड तानसेन was sitting with that तानपुरा, उनका जो उनका इंस्ट्रूमेंट था, he was sitting with that, and as king arrived he started singing. और उन्होंने अपना आलाप शुरू किया. आलाप किसी भी म्यूज़िक के स्टार्टिंग का जो पार्ट होता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड आलाप. तो उन्होंने वो गाना शुरू किया और जैसे जैसे वो गाने लगे, सारा जो इन्वायरमेंट था वो गर्म होने लगा था. अचानक से धूप बढ़ने लगी थी, है ना, गर्म हवाएं चलने लगी. एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स वर हैपनिंग एट दैट टाइम व्हेन ही वाज सिंगिंग दीपक राग. ओके.